In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add info sections in a product page on Wix. To get started, open your Wix site and go into the page editor. This is where you'll manage the layout and settings for your website, including your store products. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click on My Business. This area gives you access to the business tools connected to your site, including your product catalog. From there, click on Manage Products. This will open the section where all of your store items are listed. Take a moment to find the specific product you want to update, then select it to open its product settings. This is where you can edit details like product information, pricing, images, and in this case, extra informational sections. After opening the product, scroll down until you find Additional Info sections. This feature is useful when you want to provide customers with more details beyond the main product description. For example, you might use it to share care instructions, shipping details, material information, sizing notes, or any other important product-related content that helps buyers make informed decisions. To create a new section, click the plus sign. A new info section will appear, and you can begin filling it out. Start by entering the title. This is the heading your customers will see, so make sure it clearly describes the content of that section. Next, add an internal name. This helps you stay organized behind the scenes, especially if you're managing multiple products or several different info sections. Then add the description. This is the main body of the section, where you can write the extra information you want displayed on the product page. Try to keep the wording clear and easy to scan, so visitors can quickly find what they need. You'll also notice extra tools underneath the description area. These let you enhance the section by adding an image, code, a link, or even a video. These options can be helpful if you want to make the information more visual, interactive, or detailed. Just make sure anything you add supports the product information and keeps the page easy to navigate. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new info section will now be attached to that product and ready to appear on the product page depending on your site's design and settings. If you're adding multiple sections, it's a good idea to keep the titles consistent and organized so your product pages look clean and professional. And that's how to add info sections to a product page in Wix.